Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today's topic is how to update a record of a CSV file and how to delete a record from a CSV file. This is a CSV file. Name of the file is testcsv.csv. This file contains student records. These are the fields of the file: roll, name and stream. Using a simple program, I am going to update one record of the file. For example, I am going to update stream of a student. So at first I need to import the module CSV. Then I am opening the file. Name of the file is testcsv.csv. Before updating, we need to search the particular record from the file, and I need to fetch this record, and after that I need to update the record. So at first I need to open the file in read mode. For reading, I need to create the reader object using csv.reader. Reader function of CSV module will return a reader object, and if I iterate over this reader object, we can get the records from the CSV file one by one. For updating, I need an empty list, and I need to collect the roll number from the user, and based on this roll number we are going to search the particular record. Here found is a variable which will indicate whether the record with this roll number is present in the CSV file or not, whether the record is found or not. Now using a for loop, I am fetching the rows from the CSV file. And in my previous videos I have shown you how to write multiple records to a CSV file and how to read records from a CSV file. And during writing, I was using a list. The contents of the list were written to the CSV file. So when I am fetching the records from the file, then these records will be fetched using a list. So row is nothing but a list. And for example, in this case, first these fields will be extracted and it will be stored in the list. So 0th element of the list will be roll, 1th element of the list will be name, and 2th element of the list will be stream. And in the second iteration, the first record will be fetched. 0th element will be roll, that is 1. 1th element name of the student Madhu. 2th element stream, that is arts. So I have to check row 0 equal to uroll. If it is true, then at first I need to change the value of the variable found. Then for example, I need to change the stream of the student. So I am collecting the stream, actually the new stream, from the user. And now I am going to change the stream of the student. As I told you earlier that stream is the 2th element of the list. So I am writing row 2 equal to stream. So I am updating the stream of the student, and outside the if I am writing l dot append row, and here I am closing the file. So here I am iterating over the reader object to fetch the records from the file, and here I am checking whether the roll number of the record is equivalent to uroll or not. If we found that record, that means the condition will be true, so I need to change the value of the variable found equal to true. Here I am collecting the stream, that is new stream from the user, and here I am changing the stream of the student. And after the if condition, after the if block, I am appending this record to the list L. That means if match occurs, we are changing the stream, and after that we are appending the record. Otherwise we are just appending the record. So list contains all the records as well as the updated record. And till now we have not updated the file testcsv.csv. For that I need to open the file in write mode again. I am opening the file in W+ mode because I want to write to the file, and after that I want to read from the file. And whenever I am opening the file in W mode or in W+ mode, the previous content of the file will be lost. Now I shall write the contents of the list L to the file testcsv.csv. That means after writing, the CSV file will contain all the records as well as the updated record. We don't need any blank line, so I am writing new line equal to quotes. I need to create the writer object using csv.writer, and within parenthesis I have to mention the file object using which I am opening the file. And finally here I am writing the list using write rows. After writing, I need to read from the file, so I am pointing the file pointer to the 0th byte of the file, and for reading I need to create the reader object using csv.reader function. Here in each iteration we can get the records from the file one by one, and I am displaying them one by one. If I run this program will work properly, but I must check if the record found or not. If found equal to false, that means record not found. And if the record not present in the file, I do not need to do anything. So I am writing student not found. Else I am updating the file and I am reading from the file. Let's check the output. Enter roll number of the student to be updated. For example, I want to change the stream of the student Johnny. So roll number of the student Johnny is 2. Here roll number of the student Johnny is 2. I am given 2 as input, but it is showing student not found. Let's check. That means the problem is here. Actually uroll as integer, and in the file everything is stored in text format. So here roll number is a text or string, so I need to convert uroll to string using str function. Now check the output. Roll number 2 stream. For example, I need to change the stream science. You can see it is working properly. stream of the student Johnny is updated and the new stream is science. This is the previous copy of the file. Now I am going to open the CSV file. You can see in the file the stream is updated. So using this program we can update a record of a CSV file. Now I am going to show you how to delete a record from a CSV file. For deletion, again we have to open the CSV file in read mode, because before deletion I have to search the record, and for reading we need to create the reader object using reader function of the CSV module. And here also I need an empty list, and I need to collect the roll number from the user, and the record with this roll number will be deleted from the file. Again we are using found equal to false, and this variable will indicate whether the record found or not. If the record not found, we need not to do anything. Using this for loop we are iterating over the reader object to get the records one by one, and here I am checking the roll number of the record is equivalent to the roll number that is given by the user or not. And in this program I am using the variable name droll, that means the roll number of the record which will be deleted. And if this condition is true, then I need to write found equal to true. And if the record found, I am just writing found equal to true, and I am not appending the record to the list because I need to delete that record. That's why I am not appending the record to the list. Otherwise I am appending the record to the list. That means after execution of this loop, L will contain all the records except the record that will be deleted. Then here I am checking if the record found or not. If not found, we can't do anything, because if the record is not present, it is not possible for me to delete that record. Actually there is no question of deletion, so I am writing print student not found. Otherwise I am opening the file in W plus mode. Whenever I am opening the file in W or W plus mode, that means previous contents will be lost. Now I am writing the list L to the file testcsv.csv, and this list contains all the records except the record that will be deleted. And after writing I am pointing the file pointer to the 0th byte because I have to read from the file, and for reading I need to create the reader object. Using reader function of the CSV module, I am creating the reader object, and using this for loop I am iterating over the reader object to fetch the records from the file one by one, and here I am displaying the records one by one from the file testcsv.csv. Now I am running the program. For example, I want to delete this record. So the roll number of this record is 1. So I am giving 1 as input, and you can see the record of the student Madhu is deleted from the file. So using this way we can delete a record from a CSV file. In my next video I shall discuss the use of dict writer and dict reader function of the CSV module. Thank you for watching this video.